Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble blocks in Terraria. These special blocks are fantastic for creative building, allowing you to contain liquids as if they were solid. They are perfect for making underwater bases or stunning liquid features in your world. To get started, you will need two main ingredients, some pink gel and a heavy workbench. Let's dive into gathering these essential items and begin your crafting journey. First, let's find pink gel. This special ingredient drops from Pinky, a small, rare pink slime that can appear both on the surface and underground. Keep an eye out for this elusive creature. Next, you'll need a heavy workbench. To craft this, gather 12 pieces of any wood and 8 iron or lead bars. Remember, 3 ore make 1 bar at a furnace, and you'll need an anvil to combine them into your heavy workbench. Once you have your pink gel and heavy workbench, the crafting process is quite straightforward. Simply place your heavy workbench down in a convenient crafting area. Then, with 1 pink gel and 1 bucket of water in your inventory, approach the heavy workbench. You will find the option to craft bubble blocks. Each crafting action will yield 1 bubble block, so gather plenty of materials if you plan to build a large, impressive structure. Bubble blocks offer incredible creative possibilities. You can use them to form air pockets, allowing you to breathe freely while exploring underwater areas. They are also perfect for containing different liquids, such as water, lava, honey, or even shimmer, without them mixing. This allows for stunning visual effects and unique architectural designs. Experiment with these versatile blocks to truly elevate your Terraria builds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.